Welcome to my channel. In this video series, you are going to learn about how to create a WordPress theme using Bootstrap 4 framework. In this particular video, you are going to learn how to download the WordPress from the wordpress.org and install in your computer. Open the browser www.wordpress.org and click on Get WordPress, and it will give an option to download WordPress, and the version which I am downloading is 5.2.1, and the version you may download may vary depending upon the time that you are watching this video. So click on the download WordPress, so once the download is completed, right click on it and click on show folder, and it will show where the package was downloaded. Right click on it and click on extract to WordPress. Now the extraction is completed, so open it. First copy it, go to XAMPP where the local server is installed, go to htdocs and paste it. Now you can rename to custom theme or C theme, or you can leave it as WordPress also, but now I have changed it to C theme. Now open the browser to access this folder, as we have pasted in the localhost servers folder like htdocs. We'll try to launch it using localhost ctheme theme. But now it is showing an error, the site can't be reached. Localhost refused to connect. So in order to access that folder, we need to start the server, which is nothing but our XAMPP. So start the Apache server and start MySQL, and then try to refresh the page. As we are accessing that folder for the first time, it will ask us to install. So select the language which you want, click on continue. But in order to proceed further, we need a database name and a username and password in order to access the database and the local host, etc. So before proceeding to the further, we need to create those in our phpMyAdmin page. So let's go to localhost, click on phpMyAdmin, create a database. I am creating custom theme DB. So now the database is created. So copy this and paste it here. So still we need username and password. For that, go to the privileges, click on add user account, so that you can create a username and password in order to access this custom theme database. So the username is cthemeadmin. I'm choosing hostname as localhost and password as some random password, and click on go. So then our username and password are created. So now fill the details in this form. Select as localhost. And click on submit and run the installation. So it will ask the site title is nothing but what you want to give as your website name. And temporarily I'm giving as C theme, as it is my custom theme, and password. Confirm. Now the installation is completed. So click on login. And click on logout. So now you can enter the same localhost C theme, and now you can see the site which is updated. So this is the site title and this is your blog. So now this is the theme which is applied for this particular site. Now we are going to create a new theme which is our own custom theme to give a new user experience. So in further videos you are going to learn step by step on how to create a new custom theme. So before stopping this video, let me show you how to access the already pre-existing themes. So localhost C theme, type wp admin. So it will ask the username and password. So click on login. In the appearance, go to themes. So these are the themes which are now available for this particular site. So if you activate this theme, it will again give a new look and feel. See, like the same way, if you activate this theme, it will be a new look and feel for our theme. So this is how each and every theme change the way it looks to the user. So let's start and create a new custom theme from our next video. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it.